Hey guys, it's Dan with RVI. Welcome back to our video series on our flat towing guide. This week we're going to be talking about tow bars. As in most industries, there are usually 2 to 3 major players in any category of product lines, and that's no different for the tow bar market here in the RV industry. Over the years, I've used every different manufacturer's tow bar. The major players are Roadmaster, Blue Ox, and Demco. All three of them make a pretty comprehensive line of tow bars. They all have different weight ratings. I would say number one, when you're looking at a tow bar for your towed vehicle, you want to understand the gross vehicle weight of your vehicle. If there's any way that you can weigh your towed vehicle, that's even better. But you can look on, look up the data on your vehicle and it'll tell you what it weighs. And also you could reach out to any of these manufacturers and they'll help guide you to make sure that you get a tow bar that's weighted heavy enough to tow your vehicle. This is an area that you just don't want to make a mistake. You want to have an overrated tow bar for the weight of your towed vehicle. Catastrophic hitch failures do happen. They're very rare, but we don't want to do anything that's gonna make that problem even worse by being underrated. So I would say that the number one thing I look at, the number one is weight rating. The number two thing I look at is to make sure that you get a tow bar that is got a non-binding release system. They're all doing a pretty good job at designing these tow bars that if you're in a bind, if you need to release your towed vehicle, you can lift the arms and it frees up the release mechanism so you can pull forward a little and then unhook your tow bar. Because if you get bound up, you're not going to be able to unhook a tow bar that doesn't have a good release system. I would say that in all the tow bars I have used over the year, the Roadmaster product line has fared the best for me. Right now I'm using one of their top of the line one. It's called the Nighthawk. I really like this. It's a well-rated tow bar. It has a really great release mechanism. In all the times I've unhooked, it's never bound up on me. And then it's got a real cool factor too. It does have LED lighting on the side of it so that when you're traveling at night, it illuminates that area between the RV and the towed vehicle that I think adds a safety feature, but it's also, it looks really cool when you're traveling at night. So just to wrap this up, do your homework, get your weight rating correct, and do a lot of research to find out what other people are saying about the product you're interested in, and call the manufacturers and get lots of questions, ask lots of questions. But if you follow those few simple guidelines, you're going to get a tow bar that makes the most sense for you and that's going to make it really safe as you're traveling. So as you can see, there are a lot of different features for different tow bars on the market today. So rather you're using a tow bar that we recommended or you use a tow bar that a dealer or a friend recommends, it doesn't matter as long as it's the right tow bar for you. If you have any questions about the things we've covered here today, don't hesitate to text, phone, or email our customer service champions here at RVI. And as always, happy RVing.